Hi everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to see how to make cheesy baked noodles in Italian style with a twist, which is super tasty and quick to make. So let's get started with this cheese-delicious recipe. For this recipe, I'll be using some carrots cut into long thin strips, some onion slices, yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper cut into long strips, some minced garlic. I have used here 4 garlic pods, and some boiled noodles. And now we need to saute the veggies and the noodles. For that, heat a pan and add around 1 tablespoon of refined oil. Spread the oil on all the sides of the pan. And when the oil is slightly hot, add the minced garlic and the veggies. Give a quick stir on high flame. We don't want to cook the veggies as we are going to bake them also. Now add the boiled noodles. Next I'll be adding some sweet chili sauce, half teaspoon of salt and pepper powder for seasoning, and some tomato chili sauce around 1 tablespoon. Now give a quick mix so that the sauce combines well with the veggies and the noodles. These has been well sauteed. So now I will turn off the flame and arrange them in a baking dish. Take a baking dish and grease with some oil with the help of a brush. This is pasta sauce. I will apply a layer of pasta sauce as I am making this noodles recipe in Italian style. Also, this will keep the noodles moist after it has been baked. Now place or arrange the sauteed noodles on top of the pasta sauce. Spread the noodles evenly on all the sides of the dish. Next, we will need an egg. Break the egg in a small bowl. Season it with a pinch of salt and pepper powder and a splash of milk. Now whisk the egg well. And pour this over the noodles. And now with the help of a fork, give a mix so that the egg mixture spreads evenly on all the sides. Video. Until then, bye bye and take care.